morning, Scots. I'm Madison Savini, and welcome back to Scots Weekly.
And I'm Trayvon Fair. We hope you're having a great start to your day, especially the seniors at Senior Sunrise.
I know I did. Anyways, we're here to keep you updated about everything that's going around school.
So listen up. We've got a few important announcements for today.
Let's get started. Kicking things off, Scots, auditions for Highlands Fall musical, The Lightning Thief, will be next week.
Singing auditions are on Tuesday, August 25th from 4 to 6:30 p.m. after school in room 8C.
Dancing auditions will be Wednesday, August 26th from 4 to 6:30 p.m. after school in the wall.
And lastly, acting auditions will be on Thursday, August 27th at 4 to 6:30 p.m. at 8C. Make sure to be there all 3 days.
This is your chance to shine and be a part of one of the best theater programs in this district. Mr. Thompson will be in room 8C for any more questions.
Scots, make sure to stay updated with your class Instagram pages so you're followed up with all the latest Scots news.
As a reminder, school now starts at 8:59 a.m., so make sure you're on time, in class, ready to learn. Class of 2030, be prepared for 9th grade council elections.
This is happening next week on August 28th.
Council applications are due 8/26. Don't go anywhere, Scots.
We have a quick commercial break. Yo, Annabella, where'd you get that Highland swag?
Oh, I got it from the Plaid store to show off my Highland pride.
Well, how do I even buy off the Plaid store?
With my Plaid tokens.
Hey, Mr. Zavala, I have all these Plaid tokens. Can I exchange it for a Plaid shirt?
Oh yeah, I got you right here. Got your shirt right here. Gotcha.
Oh man, thank you, man.
No worries, man.
Hey, look, Annabella, I finally got some Highland swag.
Wow, that's so cool. Keep showing your Highland Plaid so you can keep your Highland swag.
All right, ladies, today's a math class. Ms. Nelson hired me to be the new math teacher here in Highland High School, Mr. Zavala. Can anyone tell me what's 2 plus 2? Really, ladies? No one has an answer? Okay, what about 1 plus 1? Really, ladies? No one's volunteering? What's going on today? It's not the first day of school no more. All right, ladies, one more question for today. What's 0 plus 0? Lily, go for it.
2.
Lily, thank you for trying and being a good leader here.
Whatever. What the heck? How did this end up in my backpack? I was in Mr. Zavala's classroom. Stupid trash. What is that? Wow, maybe I should have just picked up my trash. I should have just had integrity and thrown my trash away in the first place.
Hey, what's wrong? My boyfriend broke up with me, I failed my math test, my dog died, everything is going wrong.
Have a good attitude and don't be a Debbie Downer.
You know, you're so right, I'm gonna have a better attitude.
Your attitude determines your future. As long as you have a good attitude, you'll have a bright future.
Bro, I'm so done with this, I can't do it anymore.
It's okay, don't procrastinate, take it step by step, you got this, and stay determined.
You're right, I just need to continue having determination.
Welcome back, Scots.
Now let's toss it over to the sports team for the latest in Highland athletics.
What's up, Scots? I'm Frankie Barra.
And I'm BJ. Welcome to Sports Section.
Get ready, Scots, because Highland Athletics is having a big Friday and Saturday. First up, varsity volleyball and varsity water polo this Saturday.
JV and varsity football take on Porterville at Granite Hills High School.
And that's a wrap for sports this week.
Good luck to all of our Scots competing this weekend, and make sure to go out and support. All right, Scots.
Tossing it back to the rest of Scots Weekly.
Thank you, guys.
Before we wrap things up, Scots, we have an important announcement.
Listen up, everyone.
Hey Scots, it's Yami. Highland High School's Back to School Night is happening Monday, August 24th from 5:30 to 7:25 p.m. Families will start the evening with a general session at the wall before heading to classrooms to meet teachers and learn more about what's in store for the new school year. It's a great opportunity for families to meet staff, explore the campus, connect with teachers, and learn how to support students throughout the year. Plus, here's another update around Highland. The Highland Threads Thrift Closet is now open, where students can use their Plaid points to shop for new or gently used items. Stop by room 3G after school on Monday, Tuesdays, and Thursdays to check it out. So don't miss out, because who doesn't love free shopping?
That's a wrap for today, Scots.
And as always,
remember to
Plaid up.